India has placed restrictions on the import of computers and laptops in a surprise move from the government of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which has been trying to encourage domestic manufacturing. In the tech sector, importers will now need to apply for licenses in order to bring laptops, tablets, personal computers, and other electronic devices into the country. According to a notice issued by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry on Thursday. Previously, the import of such items was unrestricted. The ministry didn't provide a reason for the change in rules. However, Modi has aggressively pushed his Make in India campaign, which promotes local manufacturing in a bid to create more jobs. It follows a similar curb on smart TV imports in 2020. India's electronic imports stood at $19.7 billion in the April to June period, up 6.25% from the same period in 2022, according to Reuters. India's push to manufacture domestically comes at a crucial time for the world's most populous nation, as companies look beyond China to secure crucial supply chains. India's working-age population is expected to hit 1 billion over the next decade, according to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Its large and young labor force makes the country a big draw for global companies seeking alternative manufacturing hubs to China. Earlier this year, India's Commerce Minister, Piyush Goyal, said Apple was already making between 5% and 7% of its products in India. In June, U.S. chipmaker Micron announced a new factory in the western state of Gujarat, calling it the country's first semiconductor assembly and test manufacturing facility. Thanks for watching.